Today I'll be showing you how to make French macaron. It's tricky a little bit, but with enough experience you'll be able to do it easily. First, we need 1.5 cups of confectionate sugar with 2/3 of a cup of almond flour. You put it in a blender and blend it for about 5 minutes. So, because we don't want any crumbles in it. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the egg whites. We need 3 room temperature egg whites. We don't need the egg yolk, so we'll put it aside. When we reach this consistency, we see if it is the right consistency. When you put it up, so you want to see this consistency. Now we can add the food coloring. And the best food coloring is the paste one, not the liquid one, because you don't want to change anything in the consistency of the batter. So you would choose whatever color you like. Now today I'm choosing the violet color. I'll put a little bit. Then whisk it again for about 1 minute. Now the consistency is ready, so I can add the almond and the sugar to it. I'll show you how to do it. Now I'm sure that I don't have any crumbs here in my almond and confectionate sugar batter. So I start adding a little bit at a time. I start from the middle, then go around. In the middle, go around, like this. Because I want the eggs to stay fluffy. Then I'll add more. You can add to the macaron any color you like. Now the batter is ready for piping. You can see that it is ready. Now I prepare the pipe. You can bring a disposable piping bag or a normal piping bag, you choose. The easiest way is to put the piping bag in a cup. This will be easy to fill it. Now you can add some of the batter. Because my piping bag is not big enough for the whole batter, I can divide it in half. Now on a tray, I put a parchment paper. Underneath the parchment paper, I've prepared a template. You can do it without the templates, but this way is easier. And with time, you'll get better in piping the batter. Now we can start in the middle. When we're done piping the first tray, we remove these papers, the template papers, slowly. Then we tap the tray like this. Several times. And we leave it aside till it's dry before we bake it. So it will be successful in baking it. So we'll wait about 20 to 30 minutes till it is dry a little bit. Now after 20 to 30 minutes, we come and check the skin if it is dry. Now I see that it is dry. I put the oven 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 13 to 15 minutes. And I'll show you after I bake them what happens. Excellently baked. Check my other video for how to do the filling for macaron. And enjoy!